So you don't have a portfolio website up and running. You've been working with some projects, but you don't have anything online that you can show people. Well, listen up, because I got just the thing for you. Today, I'm going to show you how I host my projects and my website portfolio for free using these two different services. I know there's probably many more, but I'm going to walk you through the process of doing it through GitHub with GitHub Pages. That's where I put my first portfolio website up. They'll give it to you for free. And also Netfly. Netfly is where I host all my landing pages and also my very simple web apps that I'm using in this project, so I can deploy them into my portfolio and you can click on them and check on them whenever you want. So first up, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub and how to host GitHub pages. First thing, go to GitHub. You'll pick on whichever repository that you are going to use for this. Go up here and click the three dots, go to settings, go down here to settings and find pages. And when you get to pages, you'll find something here that'll say deploy from branch, right? Pick that. It'll have you pick which files you want to go, right? If maybe you have a custom domain you want to use. If you don't, which you probably should at some point, but in the beginning, maybe not, you'll just get your username.github.io, and that will be the web address, the URL address for your portfolio website. And you'll be able to go to that and find whichever one you want. And this is just one that I'm working now. I'm redoing my portfolio and I'm going to do it in an NES package. My instructor from Tech Elevators told me about this and I really enjoy it. So I'm going to work on this. But yeah, that's how you can do it with GitHub. It's a really good way to get started. I suggest maybe you do your first little HTML web page and get it posted soon and then get a little boost of confidence. Next up is Netfly. This could work if you don't actually use GitHub. Maybe you use GitLab or Gitbucket. If you use Netfly, you can just use your own files or folders from your own local machine. Let me show you how to do that. So this one's called Netfly. I think I'm saying that correctly. Even if you don't have to have GitHub to have this, you can deploy from here from Gitbucket, GitLab, or from your own machine with a folder. First, go into Netfly. If you don't have an account, you need to set one up first. I'm already signed up here. And this one's pretty straightforward and I keep it real simple. And as you can see, I have a few things deployed right now. But first you'll go to add a new site after you get everything started. And then you can start from a template. You can deploy manually, which means that maybe somebody made you a folder or a file with a website on it. You can go through there, or you can go from existing project. This is how I use it. I go through GitHub. I'll connect my GitHub to Netfly. And then I'll pick which repository I want to, and it will put it out for me itself. It is very straightforward. They do most of the heavy lifting for you. You just need to connect your GitHub and which repository that you want. And once you click through it, you can pick which one you want, right? When you're in your GitHub or Gitbucket or GitLab and pick which one you want to do, click on it, follow the steps, and it'll walk you through. And you can do this free. I think after the website gets a little bit bigger and gets a lot more traffic, it may start to cost more money. As you can tell, my bandwidth is up to 100 gigabytes, which I can't imagine I would need that, but this is just a starter thing. This is just for beginning. This is just so I have projects put online so people can see it. Very simple way to get it done. Hope this was helpful. So both of these are very good options for when you're having like a resume website. Just have some small, simple projects that you want to put online so people can click on the link, or you can share links and show some cool things that you've done. This is what I've used through my coding journey. I realize that a lot of people don't know how to host different things, and it does seem very daunting and scary, but it's super simple. Hope this took away the fear and helped you be able to host your first website portfolio. If you got some cool ones you want people to check out, put them in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until next time.